All right. Hi class. Miss you guys. Hope you're doing well. Wanted to review how to do a color wheel because this semester we're focusing a lot on color and color wheels are so important. And I figured we can make one using not such like just basic like kids tools at home. So either you're going to do this with some crayons, which I'm sure most of you have, or colored pencils. I'm going to be using crayons today. And who's to say we can't make art without fancy art tools like oil pastels or something. So we'll do it with some basic kiddie tools. So we'll do right now is create a circle. Okay. And once our circle is done, then what we'll do is we'll cut it in half like that. Okay, and then we're going to cut it in half again. Okay, and now each of these quarters, we're going to cut it into 3 pieces. Just like that. Okay, and this one gets cut into 3 pieces as well. And last one. So you can actually like count them. There should be 12 pieces of like basically like a pizza. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using just the basic like rainbow colors. Okay, so I know crayons come in tons of different colors, but I'm just going to use the basic red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. I'm going to start with red, yellow, and blue. As a little reminder, these are our primary colors. And what I'll do is start filling in my color wheel. So maybe I'll choose, look, my crayon's all jinky. I'll fill in my primary colors first, and that'll help us tell where the other colors are going to go. Because remember, a color wheel shows us the relationships of colors. That's the whole point of us always making a color wheel and not some sort of color strip. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I have red. Okay, and then I'm going to count 3 spaces away from red. 1, 2, 3. And then in the very next one, so actually 4, I'm going to do my next color, which is yellow, the next primary color. Okay, and I'm doing this very quickly because I don't want to take all day. This is a video. I don't want it to last forever. Okay, and then my last primary color is blue, so I'll go to red, and I'll count 4 spaces away from that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's where blue should go. Okay. That was a reminder. Okay, yellow and blue create what? They create green. Okay, so in this spot here, I will do green. And that's one of our secondary colors. Your next secondary color is orange. So between red and yellow, if they come together, they create orange. So that's why that goes there. Okay, and then last secondary color is purple, and red and blue make purple if you forgot. Okay, so I got the basic, primary, and secondary colors. And remember these in-between colors that we haven't done yet, those are called our tertiary colors. Okay, so between red and purple, we're going to have red purple. Between blue and green, we're going to have blue green, and so on and so forth. So in terms of how to mix colors together, now crayons and colored pencils as well tend to be quite waxy and they don't smudge like oil pastels, which is something you're used to. So in terms of mixing colors, they don't mix together and mesh and become one substance. The way that they mix is they just kind of sit on top of each other. And then you see them kind of together, just layered on top of each other, and that's how you can appreciate them, and that's how they seemingly mix together. So we'll do yellow-orange. Okay, so that's going to go right there. Now, what's good is this plays off of your knowledge of oil pastels, because with oil pastels, when you mix 2 colors together, remember we always start with the darker color first, and same here. So between orange and yellow, orange is a little darker than yellow. I'm just going to do this off to the side first. You might want to try that too. Put down a little bit of orange. Okay, and then go over it with a little bit of yellow. Okay, and then I like to just go back for one more layer of each one just to solidify it. And now we have nice yellow orange. Okay, I did it off to the side first just to practice with my pressure. Some of you push down really hard on our tools, so don't push too hard. I'll do this one more time. I'll do blue-green this time.